Hello, everyone. Hello, amazing people of the MSc Hub 21 Days Bootcamp. How are you doing? How are you doing, everybody? I hope your day is going very well. All right, I want to welcome you to today's class. Today we'll be discussing about the types of copywriting, the various types of copywriting. All right, so let's delve into today's class immediately. Now we have various types of copywriting. So for today, we'll start with the direct response copywriting. Now, this is a type of copywriting where at the end of your copy, you expect your audience to do something, to engage in something, probably fill out a form, sign up for something. So this is a direct response copywriting. This type of copywriting is used to drive an immediate response from the reader or viewer, such as making a purchase or filling out a form. You understand? Probably when you're selling a product to your audience, what you use is a direct response copywriting technique. That's what you use to sell your product, because at the end of your copy, what you expect from your audience is that they should either buy the product you're selling, or fill out the form, or just do something. So this type of copywriting is the type of copywriting that requires your audience to engage in something at the end of the copy. All right, so the next type of copywriting we have is the brand copywriting. Now, brand copywriters are people that protect the image of a company or a brand. All right, for example, the Dangote. Now, the social media managers for the Dangote are brand copywriters. The people that work for First Bank, that protects their image in public, these people are all brand copywriters. So their job is to maintain the face of the brand to the public. So these guys use brand copywriting for this job. So brand copywriting focuses on building and maintaining a brand's image and personality, including its voice, tone, and messages. Most times when you go to Twitter and try to tweet something bad about First Bank, very immediately you get a response from their customer care and ask you, like, what is the problem? So these people are there to maintain the image of the brand. All right, so the next we have the SEO copywriters. SEO copywriting is all about creating content that is optimized for search engines. The goal is to drive traffic to a website and improve the search engine rankings. So these SEO copywriters, you find them most times working for people like Google, Amazon, and the rest of them. All right, so the next type of copywriting we have is the social media copywriting. Social media copywriting involves creating content for social media, like for social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The goal is to engage followers and encourage them to take a specific action, such as sharing, commenting on the post, and the rest of that. So most times these content creators you see on the social media space, what they do is social media copywriting, because at the end of dropping the content, you are so engaged by the content, but at the end of the content, you ask you to either share, like, comment, or subscribe. So that is just simply social media copywriting. All right, so we have email copywriting. Email copywriting is a sub niche under email marketing. All right, so email copywriting is used to market to your email list or your email subscribers, so that they will take the action of either buying or acquiring your services or something. All right, so email copywriting involves creating content for email marketing campaigns. The goal is to drive engagement and conversation from your subscribers. So it is the same thing as social media copywriting, but this one is that the goal, the your target audience are those in your subscribed list, in your email list. All right, so we have sales copywriting. Now, sales copywriting is focused on creating persuasive content that drives sales, often for your specific product or service. Now, many times email copywriters use this sales copywriting to sell their product to their email list, most times. All right, so sales copywriters are those people that their sole focus of writing their copy is to drive sales. All right, is to drive sales. The reason why you're learning this type of copywriting, so that you know anything you're engaging in, you know the type of copywriting to use, so that you don't use the wrong one for the wrong reason, so that you can get the maximum results in any one you're using. So let's continue. So we have content copywriting. Content copywriting involves creating content for websites, creating content for blog and other platforms. The goal is to provide valuable information to readers while also driving engagement and conversation. Now, most times people that does this very well are the bloggers. Right, what the bloggers does, they write content copywriting. They do content copywriting most times, because you just opening their blog, they're already making money out of it already. So the bloggers, what they do is content copywriting. All right, so we have public relation copywriting. Public relation copywriting focuses on creating content for press release, media pitch, speeches, and other related materials. The goal is to create media coverage and build a positive image for a brand or organization. Most times this is news related, like these guys that does radio and public television or national television. What they do is public relations copywriting. Now these are just some of the type of copywritings available to a copywriter. The type of copywriting choose the type of copywriting chosen will determine the goal and the objective of the projects at hand. Alright, like I told you earlier, if you know the type of project you have at hand, you will know the type of copywriting to use so as to maximize maximum results. All right, so that you will not use a wrong copywriting technique for a wrong goal. At the end of the day, you are achieving very very little. All right, so guys, I want you to know that these are just few. You can go more on your own and make more research. All right, so just know that we have many more types, but with this I've given you, this is a rich capture of the types of copywriting we have out there. So guys, see you in the next class. I remain your host and your facilitator, Tao Miracle, called Boss Mimi. I'm the vice chancellor of the MSc Hub 21 Days Bootcamp. So see you in the next class, guys.